All right.
A while back, I visited a grower who's doing microgreens, and she said she spends a lot of time watering manually. And I thought, why can't we build a system that's affordable and can be automated without the need of buying a turnkey kit that can cost $1,000 plus. So what I thought of doing is parts that are available at online, nothing fancy, build a system, and the idea with it is this flexible tubing that is not going to be in the way when you are loading and unloading the trays for harvest. And with a timer, they'll drip here, and just as a backup, two lines per tray, just as a backup and uniformity, so you know it can fill up faster and more uniformly, instead of just one that will take longer and some spots may stay dry. So that's what the approach I did. I have a 12-gallon tank at the bottom, possibly two, so that we can have a backup. You just move the submersible pump from one to another. This way there's no interruption. You don't have to stop and wait and refill fertilizer, etc. And then using T's and on-off valves. And this is the new brand that I'm new to me, drip lock connectors that are quick release, quick connect, disconnect, very handy. So a lot of zip ties, and you know, just running the lines and adjusting the on-off valve so that the flow is uniform. But more importantly than the on-off valve, using these emitters that will control the flow is the key to get all these drip emitters to be even. This is 2 gallon per hour emitter, and then it will you'll have more uniform spray. So with this rack, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, but really 4 that are growing, and the bottom one is for the nutrient solution with wheels. Separate purchase with LED light for about $90. I got 8 LED light, 2 per shelf. Not including the cost of the trays and the fertilizer and the seed, I'm estimating what I have here about $320 if my calculations are correct. So for $320, and future episodes will show you more detail how we built it, and you can have your own kit. You can grow microgreens or you can grow seedlings. Same setup. You don't have to have something separate for for each crop.